This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Alright, it's almost 5 in the morning. We camped there for a bit. Charged also. We're at 49%. I'm ready to go back. Whoa, this screen is a lot brighter than this screen. Huh? What the heck? Okay, but I'm ready to go back now. What, really? Okay. I'm not sure if we can make it back to Ioniq Strømstad. Well, okay. Whatever. We'll just start hammering then. We are now charging at Ioniq Rygge, getting 118 kilowatt. I had to bail out here. So the plan is to charge enough to reach... Oh, it displays that you run out of juice there. Yeah, so we couldn't make it at Strømstad. Strømstad is slightly further there, plus that I'm not sure. I was looking at something there. Shit! Plus that it might not be accurate, this estimation. But we're still far away from the swap station here at Kongalv. But okay, so yeah, all good. We just charge it for a bit. And you know, now that it's summer and people are traveling. Wait, do we have the stickers here? No, okay. But when you travel across Europe, I highly recommend Ioniq. I don't have a sticker here, but you can get Ioniq Passport Power, the one that costs a little bit extra per month. But then you get the lowest price on Ioniq. Or you can go for Tesla supercharger, yeah, like over there. Well, this applies to cars that has a CCS port. So actually, if you travel across Europe, instead of dicking around with different apps for every country you visit, you can use, if you have 800 volt car, I suggest you use Ioniq. Pay for the Ioniq 1 month only, and then after your vacation is over, you just cancel it. Or if you have a 400 volt car, then you can use Tesla supercharger. Also go for the membership pricing, then you also get the lowest price. Or if you want to get the best coverage, then you go for both Tesla and Ioniq. But then if you have 800 volt car, you might get lower speed on the 400 volt charger like Tesla. So alright, all good. And now we just wait, do I eat? Well, at least the charging curve is flat at 120 kilowatt for a while. But 121 kilometers range. Would be great if you could say minus 10% or minus 5% at arrival here instead of 0%. Well, how long do we have to stay here? Huh? We already charged over 3 minutes. You can see on the charging screen over there. What, do you see anything? It's just reflected. There, 3 minutes. Well, if the swap station would be open 24/7, then we wouldn't have to sit and wait. We could have swapped earlier, no? Yeah. It'd be great if you could just swap anytime, you know? Yeah, that would be great. All right, we've been charging for 22 minutes, taking 84 kilowatt. Wait, okay, sorry, there's a bit, reflection there. But, yeah, we can probably make it to, I don't know, Hogstorp, or I'm not sure where I'm going to stop next. But over to something more important. Let's say, if we go here, under General, and then Connection, you find the plug-in fridge. What if you go 0 degrees Celsius? Okay, open the fridge. Shoop. And then we put the Pepsi Max in here. And it's kind of clumsy to reach it from the front, but okay. I'm gonna put it in there. All right, can I lay it down flat? Is it gonna? It's gonna explode. Okay, I need to organize it better. But then we'll see how cold will it be in a couple of hours. We are now at Ljungskile, and guess what? Shell ST1, they have installed new chargers here. Well, actually, no, this is not ST1. I think it's, I'm not sure. But okay, look here, Kempower. But these are 400 kilowatt or 200 kilowatt if it's 400 volt. But yeah, and here you can actually see the price here. 534 Swedish kronor per kilowatt hour. It's actually cheaper than over there. Recharge, they cost over 6 SEK per kilowatt hour. It's cheaper, it's closer to the gas station. Yeah, why not? And it's also faster. But let's see. I got a message here earlier. I think it was, yeah. No, it's gone now. Okay. It was actually showing in the screen here that the charging would take longer because the power was limited. So it seems like it just didn't, the charger didn't allocate enough power initially, but then it allocated more and more as the car needed more. Well, okay, so this is the last charging stop now before we finally can swap. It's almost 8. So if I just, well, actually, it's actually faster, just click here. And then there you go, Kungalv. Right, swap. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, don't bug me about it. We are charging now, of course. Eventually we're gonna get enough juice. So, yeah, again, it just says 0%. I would like to know how many -% it is. Well, it's kind of weird because we are 45 kilometers away and we have 59 kilometers of range. Well, 60 kilometers. Do we have enough or not? I think we just need a quick top up and then we can actually go for it. No, wait, this is a bit confusing. The navigation claims that we run out of juice there. Well, but if that's the case, then 45. Why does this screen claim that we have 66 kilometers of range? Maybe this infotainment screen here was designed by one student group, and then this screen was designed by another student group. Well, back on the road. That was 8-minute top up, 19%. Man, I mean, 8 minutes we could have swapped the battery, got 90%. But okay, anyway, we gotta do what we're gonna do, right? Now we go for the swap station, and then eventually we'll go and return to the family. Finally, we reached Sanctuary, the swap station, open. Oh, we arrived at 6%. Okay, let me see, let me do start. Yeah.
Please park your vehicle manually in the start area of Power Swap. Please press the brake pedal. Nicely done.
Yeah.
We are parking now.
Oh, all good.
Be aware of your surroundings.
Now we start the Nio swap roulette again. Well, actually, it doesn't matter if you get Gen 1 and Gen 2 battery, because we're gonna swap again at Varberg, which is, well, I can't show it in the map now, but it's just a little bit south of Göteborg. It can never do it in first try, right? Or, well, unfortunately, you are not allowed to back in yourself for swap. You must always let the car do it for you. Oh, and it's a bit harsh. Ugh. Okay, all good.
Vehicle parked.
Wait, shit. Hey, Numi.
Please wait.
Play.
I'll be ready to serve you after the power swap.
No, Numi. Hey, Numi.
Please wait. I'll be ready to serve you after the power swap.
Can I open this? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Okay. Now we swap. Let's see. It's been chilled here for over an hour. Oh, careful. Will it squirt? Okay. How cold is it? Oh, this is always silly, man. Like, ooh, wait, huh? What? Interesting. It says fridge door is not closed. Check its status. Well, is it important? At least the swap doesn't fail because the fridge door is open, right? Huh? It ain't closed in it. Okay. All good, 91%. Man, getting access to swap again is so much more convenient than the 100A battery and the slow charging battery. But let me check here the road. Battery status 92%. Is this a battery I've had before. No, maybe I should bring a little marker and then tag the batteries I had in the past, just to see if I get the same battery or if someone else, I don't know. All right, the Nio swap roulette. Ding! Wait. Okay, A battery again. All right, let's go home. Alright, we are finally back. It's 9 in the morning. We spent a little bit over 10 hours. I think if we charge more efficiently, didn't charge to 60-70%, then we could probably do this in 8 hours. Yeah, also, I was just camping over there, at Yes Home, charging on 11 kilowatt AC. I could have slept at some fast charger instead. That could also shave off 1.5 hour. But whatever, okay, 81% battery, all good. So, well, that was actually 350, 700 kilometer. Okay, whatever, the 700 kilometer challenge has been finished. Yeah, you see here, huh? It's recording, well, at least when we're driving. I think once we leave the car, then it stops. But yeah, all good. I think I want to keep stuff in the fridge. If I see here, I set it now so that the fridge. No wait, huh? What? Why is it off? I thought it was on. Dude, put it on. Okay, maybe have it on 4 degrees Celsius. Delay settings. Want to keep it running 8 hours after I leave the car. Yeah. Okay, alles gut. All right, this is the second day in Göteborg. I didn't bother bringing my camcorder, just want to pack light. It's already heavy, all the kids stuff here anyway. So yeah, right now Isabel is asleep. It's around 1 in the afternoon. Axel is awake. We're going to go to his bike. We packed some sunblock, the baby stuff, diapers. We have the sleeping bag into the bottle. We have 2 fans with us. In case it becomes too hot, it's going to be 27 degrees Celsius outside. EL8 is just parked here with the fridge running. Yeah, use the sunshade to reduce the heat in here. We don't want it to be too hot. And then yeah, there's some sunshade or whatever. So all good. Yeah, probably want to keep climate on or something. We have 73% battery. Okay. So we found a place here. A public, or I mean street parking. It's kind of rare-ish. It was, if you don't park here, you can park over there, slightly further away. But here is closer because the south entrance is over there. And then the other parking garage over there, we already checked, and the app is full. Helt fullt, yeah. So, all right, let's go. Yeah, oh man, keks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, all good. Okpas kanin. Yes. And now we just enter here. Liseberg. Nice weather for once. Man, it is freaking packed here today with people. So I'm not sure what we're supposed to do now in the beginning, because one of the kids is still sleeping. Kanin! Okay, so now Axel is asleep, Isabel is awake, but yeah, we use only fans on Axel so it doesn't get too hot. So I like this, not the one with tiny battery. This seems to be a bigger battery. Well, that's funny. This is
I'm not sure if it's rolling shutter, but it's a result of high shutter speed. Then it looks like the fan of spinning slower, but that is actually not. Okay, face paint, check. They have 5 different styles, and then Isabel wanted to get the Spider-Man. Wife is like, no, don't go for the Spider-Man because it's mostly boys get it. Wifey wanted Isabel to get the butterfly, so we ended up with Spider-Man because that's what Isabel chose. Are you Spider-Woman? But the kid is still too small for this. This is super scary. Man, there's just so many roller coasters around here. Maybe in 10 years or 15 years, the kids can play with this. Not sure if I dare to play this even. Whoa! Man, that is crazy. It all works on gravity. Last checkpoint. Big horse carousel. Oh, we're finally back in the car. Man. Sometimes I wonder, this vacation, who is it for? Probably for the kids, not for us. Well, okay. All good. So let me see. Wow, we actually went from 73% to 66%. That's kind of waste of energy. Yeah, okay, but whatever. So next stop is going to be Oh My Coffee. Yeah, standard place we go. Good Thai food. All right, 40 minutes. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, just like every time we have this is pork skewers with sticky rice and common kai. It's just chicken rice thing, a very nice Thai specialty. And then green tea, Thai style, and then lemon tea. You see, many IKEA chairs, baby chairs, they don't have the strap. They are either kaput or whatever. But no worries, because I brought my own straps. So we have now strapped down Axel. Yeah, all good. Alright, we're back here again. Oh yeah, enough for today. So we're at 60%. Maybe I should try OnlyFans tomorrow just to see the difference. Yeah, okay, so let's get inside then.